see that?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it.
You think Bailey saw it? Jonathan,
No.
you don't think she saw it? Why not? She's right behind you.
That she saw.